Hi, in this lesson, I'll be showing you how to use Canva. So if you don't have Canva, you can go to Play Store or App Store to download Canva on your phone, okay? So as you can see, here is my own Canva app. Here is my Canva app, and this is how the icon looks like if you want to download it. Now I'm just going to go ahead to open the Canva by clicking on the icon. And for you to be able to use this app on your phone, you should have data connection. Without data connection, it won't be able to work. So make sure you have data connection. It's loading now. Let's wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to come up. It's coming up. Let's wait for it. It's still loading. It's coming up. Yeah. Some are yet to load. Good. Here we are. Now, I would have loved to use my paid version for this lesson, but I just have to log out from the paid version. So I'll be showing you how to make beautiful designs using the unpaid version as a beginner. And as you can see, this app contains many templates that you can use. These are what it contains. There are many templates in there that you can lay your hands on if you need a beautiful flyer or beautiful poster design. As you can see, these are my recent work. I've used the app so much, so these are my recent work. As you can see, there are so many works I've done with it. Now let's move on. It's in this app, you can see it contains many templates. We have mobile videos, templates for mobile videos. We have many templates under it. Instagram posts, you have template there too that you can make use of. Even logos, you can design logos for your business. You can also, you can make use of these templates for your stories, Facebook stories, Instagram stories, and so on. We have photo collage, we have the Facebook post, posters, flyers, phone wallpapers, Facebook cover, menu, invitations, YouTube thumbnails, card. We also have business cards that you can create for your business. You can create certificates also for yourself. Presentations templates are there for you to make use of. We have resume, that is CV. And also we have YouTube banners. We have many templates in this Canva app that you can make use of. There are many templates you can make use of to make many beautiful designs because it is packaged for you. They are all packaged there for you to make use of. Now let's move on. Sorry. I have to pause the video before to attend to something. Now, like I said, there are many templates for you here, even letters. You can even create your ebooks using this Canva app. There are so many you can do on Canva. So right now, let's say I'm going to create a design for my affiliate marketing advert. Let's see where we can get a template to use. Let me see. Let's go for, I think we should go for this poster. Let's check what we have under posters. Let's check what we have under posters. We are waiting for it to come up, okay? They're coming up now. Posters. Let's check if we can see any template we can lay our hands on. So what I'm trying to do is to check if I can see the one that suits what I want to do. I'm seeing beautiful ones, but I'm not seeing what I really want. So we can just go ahead and search for, we can search here. We'll search for posters there. So let's click on it to search. Let's say marketing posters, marketing posters. Let's see what we have under that. You can search for anything. So I just have to search for marketing posters there. Good. Here are some marketing posters that we can use. Let's check. And I want you to know that this unpaid version, when you are given different designs, different templates to use, there are some that are written on it paid, and there are some that are just like that. So don't click on the paid one, because if you click on the paid one, it's going to have this Canva logo on it, on your design, or Canva watermarks, and we don't want that to show in our design. So don't click on the one that paid is written on it. Just go for the free template. So I'm still trying to look for what we can use. Okay, I think I've gotten one. Let's just go for this. Let's just go for this one. So I'm going to click on it now to load. Let's wait for it to load. Like I said, we need data connection to be able to use this app on our phone. Let's wait for it to load. It's coming up. Okay. It's coming up. Let's just wait for it. It's coming up. Good. Now we have it. This is what we have. This is the template we choose. Now, as you can see, this design is what they have already. We can choose to change everything in this template to suit our own design that we have in mind by editing and changing the picture on it. You can even change the background if you don't like this very background you are seeing. But I think this background is okay for me. But I'll be showing you how to change background if you don't like this background. So let's go ahead and see. Just click on it and you go to replace. Replace is at this corner here. Click on replace. We want to replace the background. So when you click on replace, you see down below your phone some options where you can get your background. You can either get it from your gallery or from your uploads. You can get it from your photo from Canva. You can get it from the background. Let's see what we have under photos by clicking on it. It's coming up. Okay, these are what we have under photos. Beautiful photos we can use for background, but don't forget we need photo that will suit the design we are going for. And I don't think I'm seeing what I need here, so don't forget you can still search for it here. Just come to the top and search by typing what you want. Me, I'll be typing affiliates marketing. Let's see what we have under that. Yes, these are the things these are the photos we have under it. And don't forget that we are using the unpaid version. So on these photos you are seeing, we have pro written on them, and there are some that are just like that. They are not written on them. So you just have to choose the one that are empty, that pro is not written on it. Because if you click on the one that pro is written on, your logo, your design is going to have Canva logo or Canva watermarks on it, which we don't want. So I'm trying to search for what I need. Let's see. All I'm seeing here is pro, but I think I have one at the top that is free. So let's just go and use that. Let's use it. Photo for background. where is it thing? The network is kind of fluctuating, so just have to manage access like that. Let me go for this. I think I've seen one. Since we are just using this as an example, because I think the background we have there is okay for me. So let's go for this one and see, just to show you how to change background for your design. So you click on it, you can see the background is here, and the one that comes with the template is not there anymore. But I don't think I like this background, so I can just go ahead to, we have two app two arrow at the top. You have two arrow at the top of your phone, at the left corner, at the top left corner of your phone. So just click on the first arrow to go back to your normal design. So this is the normal design. I think I like this. So the next thing we need to do now is to edit all these things written in it, just to put what we have in mind there. So you click on it, and it will look like this. So you remove those ones inside and type, let me see, right now I don't have anything in my mind, but let's just come up with something. WhatsApp, let's click on this webinar to change it. Masterclass. Yeah, as you can see that this thing, the space is not enough for the letters, so you just have to drag this backward. Just have to drag it backward. Okay. Now we are coming up with a design. Let's adjust it. Let's adjust this one also to the, so it will be in the center. WhatsApp Masterclass. Good. So, and don't forget, it's just a flyer. We don't need so much write up on it. You know, people will not have time to be reading text on flyers. So just a simple something. And this one, as you can see down below your phone, there are functions there that you can make use of. So this masterclass, let's just check these functions and let's click on the font size, so we can either reduce the font or increase it. So that is how to increase or reduce your font. So let me see the size I'll give to it. I think it's okay like this. So if you don't like this font, you can also change the font, but we are coming back to that. We also have format. You can make it bold, you can make it Italy if you want to underline, and so on. If you want to change the capital letter to small letter, So those are the function. These are below it the alignment. If you want it to be in the center, left, right, then center. I think the center is okay. So here you have the numbering. If you want to number whatever you are designing. So let's go back to our work. So what next? You can see this picture. We want to remove the picture of that lady inside this container. This circle you are seeing is called a container. It's an element whereby you placed your photos inside. So we are going to go ahead to delete this completely. Then we'll now create our own. We'll create our own. Delete frame. Now for you to create your own, just come to this, click on it there. Then you have an icon at the left corner of your phone below here. You can see it. That is the add sign or plus sign. So you click on it. We want to add a frame. So to add a frame, you see we have template, elements, gallery, and so on. So you click on the elements. It's loading. Let's wait for it to come up. It's coming up. Yeah. So you scroll up. Don't forget, we are going to frame. So these are the frames. Let's choose the circle frame. You click on it. Here we are. So once you click on it, it will just bring it to you, to where you are working directly. So this is the frame that we want to use. You can choose to enlarge it by dragging this point here. You can choose to reduce it. So let's move on. Let me increase it. Let me enlarge it a little bit and place it in there. Now, what about the picture we're going to place inside? The same icon you click on before to add this frame, which is the plus icon, you are going to click on it again to bring in the picture you are going to use. Now, to bring in the picture, we have to go to where the picture is, either from your gallery or from your uploads. Wherever the picture is, just click on it. So my own picture is in the upload, so it's loading. Let's see what we have there. So we'll choose from there. Now let's just choose one of these pictures. Now we have it here. This is the picture. When you just drag it and hover it around the circle frame, to just place itself in there. But before we place it there, let's see if we can crop some part of the picture that we don't like. Let's crop it out. So you go to those options, those functions again. You see crop. You click on it. So we're going to crop out some parts. We're going to crop out some part of the pictures. So just drag on it from the corner. You'll be able to do that by dragging from the corner. So once you are done cropping, you click on done. You bring it back. You can choose to cut it. You can choose to, so you can see. Now we have it in there. We have added another picture by ourselves. So that is that. Let's continue to work on our editing. This marketing strategy, I can choose to edit it. I don't like it. I don't want that. So I can choose to add free. You know, Nigerians, we love free things now. So I'll type in free. I can change the color. And don't forget, you need to work with a particular color. You don't just need to go and pack all the whole colors on your flyer. It won't look nice. So just work with a particular color. So down here you see color. So we can just choose to change it to red. Let me change it to red. Okay. Can go to format and bold it. Make it bold. You can choose to reduce the font size. You can reduce the font size or increase it. I'm going to make it bold. So if you are working on your design, make sure the key points of what you want to advertise are very bold. So this thing is too long for me. I'm going to reduce it. Yeah. So I'll drag it to the top here. You can choose to adjust these ones. Just sit downward. Adjust this downward also. Let's adjust this too. So bring this free closer to it. Free WhatsApp masterclass. That is that. So venue. Let's edit this. You can edit this one. Let's write venue. Venue. Venue is what? Close WhatsApp group. Close WhatsApp group. So we can reduce the size also. Let's reduce the size. I think it's okay like this. Then we drag it down. Let's drag it down to this place. Here is the venue. I want to change this to capital letter so it will look nice. Close WhatsApp group. Now after that, we can duplicate this. You can see down here we also have duplicate. We can duplicate it. After duplicating it, you edit it to write any other thing you need to write again. Let's remove this one. What do we need again? Time. 8 p.m. 8 p.m. That is that. 8 p.m. Let's move it here. Time is 8 p.m. These are venue. Let's see, edit it and see. Let's change the fonts. Let me show you how to change the fonts. You can choose to make it. Yeah, we have different fonts here. Let's choose a font that will be okay. And this font, anyone you see crown in front of it, don't click on it. They are for the paid version. So there are many other ones that did not have crown in front of them. So you choose from there. Let me just choose this. You can choose anyone that has no crown. It's too bogus. Let's check another one. Let's see this narrow medium. Narrow medium, I think that one is okay. So all what we need is just to increase the font size here. Increase the font size. Okay. Venue WhatsApp close group. Let's increase the time font size also. Okay. We are moving on. Now this, I don't think I need this one. So just delete it. We'll delete it. Bring this one to the top. And this also. What else do we need? Okay, let's come to down. This more information, I can just choose to write my name there. We'll edit it. I will write my name there. Anu one, my initials Y. So that is that. I'll drag it up. Okay, let me remove it first. So I need to enlarge this because I'll be adding another right up there. We'll enlarge it. We can enlarge this. So let me bring back my name. Okay. Yeah, that is that. So this one I can choose to duplicate it, duplicate, then I delete the other one. If you like, you can choose to edit it directly. So I'm just trying to show you how to duplicate what you see on the template to suit your own. So let's edit this host. Host. I can decide to change the color. Let me change the color to red. Red. Okay. And make it bold. So I'll drag it down. I'll drag it down to this place. What you just need is this only thing you need with this app is to play around with it. Just play around with it, and as you are doing it, you'll be mastering it. You'll master everything. Just play around with it, and you'll see you are making progress. So this place, I can just decide to add my website. Let's edit it. My website, Moonlight digital marketing. Moonlight digital marketing.com. That is that. So let's increase this so it will contain it, and drag it closer to the way. So you can choose to reduce the size. As a font size, you can reduce the size. Okay, you can reduce the size. The size has been reduced, so you place it where it's supposed to be by dragging it. So my phone number here, will edit it also. Let me write my other business phone number here. 070. Yeah, that is that. So what else do we need here? Free WhatsApp masterclass. Venue, close WhatsApp group. Time 8 p.m. We've changed our picture. What do we need again? I think we are good to go like this. Just a flyer, we don't need so much write-up on it. Very simple and explanatory. So all you need is just to play around with this app to suit whatever you have in mind. So as you are playing with it, as you are working on any template, you see the inspiration will be coming. The inspiration will keep coming on what to do. You can change the color, you can change the background, you can edit. Just play around with it. Anyhow you want it, just go ahead and play around with it. So after designing, so what we need now is to download it. What we need is to download it, and for you to download, just go right ahead to this right top corner of your phone. This is the icon to download. After designing, just tap on the icon and make sure you download using your PNG. Always download and save with PNG. Now it's downloading. It's downloading. Our design is downloading. Our design is downloading. Yeah, and tada, our design is ready. Our design is ready now under few minutes. So all what you need to do is just to play around with our design, and it's quite easy because we have already made designs. We have already made designs there for you. There are designs you can lay your hands on there that you can edit to suit your own design. So when you are done, your work will be in this. When you are done, your work will be in this, in a place called projects. Let me show you the place. After downloading it, it has been saved to your gallery already. But on the Canva, it will also be in the project. Down below your phone, you see a place where the project is. Let me just show you here. You can see it. So that is where your work will be. So this is our recent designs that we make. So I think we should end the video now. I hope this helps. I hope it helps, and I'll be ending the video now. Thank you very much. Thank you so very much. And please do not fast forward, okay? Do not fast forward.